You just learned how to ask questions. So you walk up to your future boss and say, "From where are you?" You think you sound correct. You actually sound like a textbook from 1985. Let's fix it. Gyanu's in the house, ready to upgrade your English from bookish to brilliant. Professor Foundation Builder just gave you the beautiful system.
Today, you will learn the secret to unlocking the voices of others.
It's a masterpiece of logic, but he forgot to give you the cheat codes that separate learners from legends. He gave you the rules. I give you the results. Hack number 1, the from where blunder. Stop saying it. It's clunky. It's what you must run from. Global professionals, cool people, your future boss, they all say, "Where are you from?" It's smoother, faster, and more confident. Do it. Hack number 2, the super fast answer. Someone asks, "Is she the manager?" Don't say, "Yes, she is the manager." Boring. For speed and fluency, just say, "Yes, she is," or "No, she isn't." It will make you sound natural, not like a robot. Done. Move on. That's the difference between being correct and being a confident communicator. That's the Gyanu Effect. Your turn, genius. In the comments, ask me a question using is or are. I'll give you the super fast answer. Hit like and subscribe. Ready to paint the world with your words? The next level of English mastery is coming tomorrow. Boom! And that's how legends evolve.